Hello and welcome to our next webinar. Today we are at the LED Line Research and Measurement Center to show you the way every our products have to go through to be accepted for our sales department. From every production part we are selecting 3 random products and 2 of them are immediately placed in the first testing device, the aging machine. This device creates harsh and extreme conditions that will expose any voltage-related defects. Every product is being tested for the total of 8 hours. First stage is extremely high voltage for 3 hours, and the second is opposite, extremely low voltage for another 3 hours. The last part of the first testing procedure is continuous on and off cycles for every 8 seconds, as we can see right now. Thanks to it, we can see the quality and discover possible defects. 2 of our products are in the aging testing device. Let's take care of the third one, which has to go through all the laboratory stages before we will sell it. It's time for a next stage. The next stage is a photometric test at the photometric sphere. As you can see, we got 3 spheres. The difference between them is just in diameter. Third sphere is the smallest for travel and exhibition presentations. Aside of the biggest sphere, we can see laboratory power supplies which are gathering the most important information: voltage, amplification, power consumption and power factor. Power supplies are connected to the software that calculates and reports all the necessary parameters. The tests last 30 minutes. And after this time we are able to test the beam spectrum as the lamp is heated properly. This test will give us unreal information about color temperature, array ratio and all photometric parameters which we are later publishing. Tests taken before the lamp heats up for 30 minutes would give us an overrated score, which won't be reliable for IES or LDT applications. After the photometric tests, our product is going to electromagnetic compatibility tests. On this station, we measure distortions caused by the electrical network. We are testing our products for high voltage and low voltage norms. Afterwards, it's time to measure the temperature of the unit by multi-channel TMP16 device, which gave us lifetime measures for 30-minute period from up to 16 strategical points of the device's body. Temperature is measured from the equal of the surroundings to the maximum the device generates by itself. After that, we are checking our product with thermovisual camera for the overall temperature distribution. Thanks to it, we can see, for example, if radiator is working properly or the device is overheating. Next parameter is flicker test. Flicker is invisible for a human eye, but the brain feels it even too much. That's why flicker parameter is so important. We are very precise about it and we perform the flicker test in every possible way to be 100% sure if it's not existing. From 21st of September 2021, flicker parameter will be obligatory for every LED producers in the European Union. When the flicker test is over, our product is going to the dark room, where we can check its light distribution. We are performing these tests for industrial lamps because usually the IES files are much more useful for them. Thanks to the IES files, we can visualize every fixture light bit in the suitable software, Relux or Dilux. It takes 30 minutes just to heat up the tested unit. The whole test takes up to 2 hours. Depends on the unit construction and characteristic. If our product will complete all the tests and measurements, it's being disassembled. We are checking the driver and trying to find any technological failures. Of course, we are doing our best not to destroy the lamp. Unit is going through the final check of its construction, possible internal defects or non-standard dimensions. The overall production quality is checked, and if everything is correct, product manager will give an acceptance to sell the product.